If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. So start. So this is my plan view of a building. The plan view of a 35 feet into 33 feet. This is my plan. This is the veranda, you can see, and this is my living room of 20 feet 3 inch into 11 feet 3 inch. This is my bedroom. This is the passage of 5 feet 1 inches. Now you can see this is the window, and this is the chhaja of this window. So today I am going to tell you about the elevation of this plan. So for that I have did here the clear screen on. You can see now it comes. If you press Control 0, then also it will be on clear screen. I did like this. So go for delete this dimension line, delete this, go for construction line XL plus V, enter, click it here. So this is chhaja also we need, and this also we need, this window. After this, here is the door, but here is the column, no needed. Go with this door, main door, and this chhaja, this window projection. Take the projection of these things, then go with this, escape it, go for XL, construction line of H, press it, enter, escape it, go for offset command of 2 feet height of this plinth, click it. Now again go for seal height of 3 feet, enter it. Now go for 4 feet for windows height. Now you can see after this the projection of chhacha as I taken as 6 inches. Click it. The thickness of chhacha I am taking. So go for plinth from the floor height should be 10 feet. Enter it. Go for 5 inch of slab thickness, 5 inches. So go for after this go for then go for beam thickness. Generally we take the beam thickness as a 9 inches. Click it towards downward, escape it. You can see here your chhacha, here your window. So for this will be your chhacha. So go for rectangle command, REC, enter. This is your plinth, this is your seal height. Now here, from here to here will be your chhacha. Click it, and now click it here also. Go by clicking space bar. This is also your window. Now after that here, this is the door. So go for repeat of this command. From here there is no chhacha, so up to here we need, escape it. Again go for here, this is, so go for rectangle command for repetition of it. Here is the chhacha up to here, escape it. Again go for rectangle command up to here, escape it. Now what you do means, I have taken this chhacha and this. Now what the thing should be deleted? First of all you have to delete this external lines which is much more larger construction line. Go for trim command, double enter, delete this side also delete it, this side also delete it. You can see it has been erased. So what you do means, this is inside the plinth beam, nothing would be there, delete this. In slab also, this is the slab, this is the slab. So delete these projections inside the slab to here, it has been deleted. Now this is the After this, this is your, this is my window, this is my window. So from in window this should not be there. This is also my window, so this is not there. And this is for Saja, so this projection would not be there. This also not there, just trim it. This would not be there, so delete this. This deleted. Now this should also not be there, this also not there. Trim it, go for trim command and trim. This is the door of me, so this is not trimming, you can see it here. Now once press it, select it and delete it, you can see. Go for trim command, this is trimmed. This is also, this should also, we should do trim. This should also, sorry, this should not be trimmed, so skip it. Go for extend, double enter. It has not been, once select it, control Z, do undo, you can see. Now go for trim command, TR, double enter, trimmed. This also trimmed. Should not be there of, trim it, trim it, trim it, you can see this. But this should not be there, this should not, in this also I have already trimmed. Now you can see these are not trimmed, so go for selection of it. This is my hole as a beam, beam thickness, delete it, delete this. Now you can take the projection of column. For beam, wherever the column, there will be the beam. So go for L command. Once you press it, go for here, up to here, up to beam, skip it. Go for the same line command, enter this, here to here, control Z. Go for Excel, Excel command, V, enter. This, the beam will be over the column, so here it would be, skip it. Now then trim it, double enter, this also trim it. I haven't trimmed. What you do means, now just trim this also. Go for trim command, double enter, TR, double enter, delete these, we don't want this. This also we don't want, this also, and this also. Now what you do means, inside the slab nothing would be there, so deleted, it should be delete. Now you can see these are the beam. Now I need to offset for chhaja, offset of chhaja 2 feet from both the sides. Here 2 feet, here also 2 feet. And now I want to provide parapet wall of 4 feet. Go for offset command of 4 feet, enter. Here 4 feet. Now I already explained you about the fillet. Go for F command, select this and this, you can see spacebar, this and this, escape it. Extend this with the help of extend command. Extend this, and here also extend this, skip it. we don't need this, so trim it, double enter, trimmed. Here also it has been trimmed. We don't need this. Here also don't. Escape it, L, take the corner, select, escape it, L, endpoint, select, escape it. Now my almost work is done. Now what you do means go for offset command for give the frame of this 2 inches, enter. You can see I have given here also, in this door also, escape it, go for line command. Here function key should off, means ortho should off this. Now on your ortho corner point, see, this is your door. You can modify your door also, go for line command, middle, click it, escape it, same thing. Like this also you can draw your door. After this, of your clear screen, go for hatch property, hatch, whatever we like we can just put it. I like this one, so see, this is but in white color, but generally wall is in red, so you can see which one is good. You, whatever you like, you just go with that. I like this, then I have selected this, escape it, go for parapet wall, hatch, click it. I will give the parapet wall with this AR brim, AR brim. This also looks like. And now go for concrete for plinth. Where is the concrete? AR sand. Select this. But I need to do bilayer with white. So escape it. Make this your beam as a bilayer of solid with solid with this. In this, in this, see, I have hatch of beam also. This is my elevation of the above building. Hatch and go for AR concrete for slab. See, I have hatch in the slab also. Delete this, and the same command for plinth beam also. It looks quite better. See, this is your front elevation of this plan, of the above plan. This is the elevation of that plan. Okay, thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please do subscribe.